Michael Domingo, November 26, 25 sa Prime Stag Gym. Alam ko magkikita kami diyan. So hopefully dala ko na yung shirt niya na pangako ko sa kanya.
Here we go. Second bout of the day, round 1. Franz Formentera versus David Boy Maderable.
4 rounds. This is sa 106 sila naglalaban.
Maderable is wearing the red and blue trunks. Ito namang si Formentera is wearing the white and black trunks. Of course, they are wearing Fairtex gloves. Of course, thank you kay Ma'am Kukoy Elorde of Fairtex dahil isa rin siya sa mga sumusuporta sa Philippine boxing, ano.
Then siyempre yung Glory is din yan. Under sa Fairtex. So saan ka pa siya kung mga gandang gloves at saka very durable sa Fairtex boxing glove tayo. Hindi lang gloves boxing equipment, lahat meron silang physical store na katabi lang ng Elorde Grand Ballroom sa baba.
May nag-comment lots of NPCs daw. It's just a matter of perspective. The seats close to the ring are may mga nakaupo naman, hindi lang kita sa camera. Doesn't mean that boxing is dying. On the contrary, we think that boxing is still alive. The fact that we're able to stage an event like this is a huge thing. Also, most of these people are ticket buyers. Because this event isn't free. So most of these people are really paid for their tickets.
Ayun, ang gandang tumama. Yung Formentera tumama na. Mabalik tayo doon sa sa sinabi mo lahat ng mga nakikita nyong tao dito bumili ng tickets para mapanood tong laban na to. So I think this promotion is maintaining that stand na kahit papano may konting tickets naman para naman makabawi sila sa mga profits nila. Diba?
Right, definitely. There you go. Both boxers are sticking out their jab. You know, the jab works for many reasons. In this case, they're trying to gauge the distance. Hinulog ni Formentera yung kanyang straight, pero itong si Maderable took advantage of that. And also unleashed some of his combinations. You know, you talk about fundamentals. I mean, what are the fundamentals of boxing? That was a good 1-2-1 by Maderable. And again, you are watching itong si Formentera ay debut nito. Itong si David Maderable. Maderable, this is just his second fight.
Napakasulit ng VIP tickets kasi meron ka na, makakapagpanood ka na ng maganda at world-class boxing at meron ka pang dinner na kasama. So, I think you could not ask for more.
Certainly. And like I mentioned, you are watching itong mga 4-rounders. These are 4-rounders. Formentera, this is his debut fight. David Boy Maderable, this is his second fight. Certainly, they're a work in progress. You know, partner, I believe in the growth mindset. You can't just set in stone a boxer's ability based on one fight. I mean, it's safe to say that each boxer has the ability to grow and to thrive. And that's what we have the fights for, hindi ba?
Ayan na, nagsisimula ng magbigayan itong dalawang light flyweight natin.
Oh, there you go. They are just swinging their hands in there.
You could see in the eyes of Formentera, partner. He wants to end this bout. Nakikita mo sa mga mata niya, naglilisik talaga.
There you go. I think they're still, they are yet to find the perfect distance for that perfect punch. And of course, perfect timing also.
Sabi mo nga, yung isang fighter dito is having his debut fight.
Oh,
So,
itong si Formentera. Ito namang si Maderable, one fight under his belt that ended in a draw.
So, technically, halos this is very, very early sa career nila pareho.
Definitely, yeah.
Alam mo, yung boxing is a matter of time.
Right.
Our time did come when Senator Manny Pacquiao was at the top of the world.
Right.
Now, I think yung sinasabi nilang time ng Japanese, siguro yun naman yung time nila ngayon.
Right.
Because Naoya Inoue is gaining great popularity in not only locally but worldwide. So everybody wants the piece of the cake dun kay Naoya Inoue. Yun nga ang mangyayari sa December 26 when our champion Marlon Tapales will battle Naoya Inoue in a unification. December 26 daw yun, based on reports.
Sabi nga ni Brian J. Kahilog, I like her optimism. Sabi niya, second bout pa lang, dadami pa yan. Oh, certainly. And you don't have the best weather right now here in Tacloban. So hopefully, more people will come after this these showers.
I remember Miss Rica when I was covering down in Cebu. Specifically, Ala Promotion. May tickets. Hindi pwedeng walang tickets.
Certainly.
May ticket sale. How could you gain your profits? Kaya nagkaroon ng barometer ang boxing sa Cebu na maraming nanonood na nagbabayad because hindi pwedeng laging libre.
Yeah.
Diba?
I mean, something with value, that certainly has to be paid for, hindi ba?
Yeah.
Uy, sa Wanikap, Edison Beruela. Naku naman, Coach Edison, nanonood from Elorde South Box.
Yes, we will see each other on October 27, yung weigh-in ng UKC Showdown. And then, doon sa laban sa October 28 sa Elorde Grand Ballroom.
Naku naman itong si Coach Edison. Pogi mga trainer sa picture, sa personal hindi. Naku po. Kaya manood na kayo live para kayo mismo mag-judge, no? Shoutout din kay Noel Pangantaw. Shoutout daw kay Juni Bugas at mga Elorde boys natin dyan sa barracks sa Elorde Sukat.
Partner, mabalik tayo at tayo'y napabisita kahapon sa Gosam Fitness Republic. Ano ang masasabi mo sa gym niya?
Wow, it's...
Bukod sa napakalaking gym, ha?
Ang ganda. Deca Libre. It's one of the best gyms that I've been in terms of yung equipment and in terms of the layout, yung kung saan nakalagay yung mga equipment nila. It has a boxing ring, it has a boot camp, it has a weights area.
Alam mo yung bootcamp medyo bihira, partner.
Oo. Naku, parang wala pa nga yata ako nakikita may ganun, ano?
So, yun nga. Yan ay pagmamayari ni Sir Noli Go.
Yes.
Sana, piyuhin ko na lang Sir Noli, no? Kasi ako, Alvin Go din eh.
Nako, baka i-trace mo yan sa family tree nyo. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Christine Abdon, shoutout daw from Gosam Fitness Republic.
Yes, sabi nga nila ay during one of your vlog yata, Miss Rica, kung gusto nyong maging physically fit, pumunta talaga kayo sa Gosam Fitness Republic. Kasi lahat nandun. Kompleto.
Kung hindi ka pa pumayat dun, ewan ko na lang.
If I'm not mistaken, boxing, Muay Thai, and even Zumba. And among others, meron talaga doon.
Naku, i-shoutout mo naman itong inanak mo, si Erson Trinidad.
Oy, partner ha, hindi totoo yung kumakalat na balita na favorite kong Trinidad, si Jacel Trinidad ha.
Naku, magtatampo yung dalawa.
Kasi pare-pareho ang tingin ko ha, sa lahat. Pati kay Alicer Trinidad, pare-pareho ang tingin ko.
Yes. Sabi ni Junior Villa sa picture lang ba, Pogi? Nako, sir, manood na kayo October 28 live sa Elorde Ballroom, UKC para masaksihan ninyo kung photogenic lang ba ang mga Elorde trainer.
Alam mo to si Erson, merong laban siya sa October 28 ha. Suportahan nyo rin siya sa kanyang karera. Sa kanyang pagboboxing.
A minute and a half left of round 3. You are watching Maderable in the pink and the blue trunks against Formentera in the white and blue. White and black trunks, ano?
again, they should be, I think, more, there you have it, more judicious in using that jab. Kasi minsan, with that jab, yun nga, you have to have some purpose with how you use the jab. It's either you gather information, or you want to gauge the distance, or you want to block or obstruct the vision. Maraming ano yan. So, kailangan may follow-up dyan, or kailangan may purpose din talaga.
Partner, speaking of guwapo, ba't ba pag nababanggit ang guwapo nandyan si Ronnie Baldonado?
Iba yan.
Yan ba ano lang?
Model yan ng Fairtex, Model.
Napapanood natin siya sa sa LED dito sa taas.
Oo. Kitang-kita siya ng buong Tacloban.
Si Ben Ligas, napapanood natin yung commercial ng Fairtex dito. Ring dito.
Another Elorde boxer watching us, Jeffrey Conserman from Elorde Las Piñas. Shout out, may laban din yan si Jeffrey Conserman on October 28. Enrique Magsalin, naman, champ, kanina binati kita, baka hindi mo narinig. Nanonood sila Clarence Quintana, Antonio Maglinte from Elorde Gilmore. Tutok na tutok dito sa ating daluyong ng mga kamao.
Salamat. More action yung nangyari doon sa third round.
Right.
Airport, Auxilio. Shout out to sa Auxilio, who will be fighting a little bit later for the 14th main event.
Naku, touch naman ako sa Elorde Boy. Sabi ni Noel Angantao, si Lucas Bendina at Wesley Kaga din ng Elorde sukat nanonood sa atin. Full support ang Elorde fighting.
Siyempre, hindi ko pwedeng palagpasin to.
Oo naman, the legend.
Si Coach Legend Elito Ala Villamor ng Villamor Boxing Gym at saka nung sa PMI Boxing Promotion Kumong Bulanon 12. November 4 sa Bohol Wisdom Gymnasium. Featuring, hindi ko pwede, Reggie, the Filipino Phenom Suganov on the comeback trail. He will be fighting Ronald Chacon. This is for the WBO Global Light Flyweight Championship. At saka si Christian Tiburon.
Balunan.
Christian Balunan will also be fighting for the WBO title. Kalaban niya naman ay, if I'm not mistaken, yung Thailander.
Yes, and here we go, round number 4.
Saka siyempre, babatiin ko yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Villamor Boxing Gym, si Raymark Cebuano Assassin, taga-Kanaw. Nasabi ko na, Christian Balunan, and among others, tsaka kay Coach Edito sa pagsusuporta niya lagi sa atin.
Yes, here we go. They are unleashing and pounding on each other's bodies. There you have it, a right upper by Maderable. Formentera also had his moments early in this round. They have to have that attitude, no? Ito na yung round wherein you really have to give it your all.
Again, this is a very, very close affair. You never know kung you are leading the card or not leading the card. So, yung last round kailangan medyo ibuhos mo and para magkaroon ka ng incentive on winning this fight.
Kudos to both boxers. They have that toughness, no? They have that unique toughness to withstand each other's punches, Jandy Painco, shout out the boy Mola from Cavite. Mustasis Gretel Cordero de Paz ang ating of course ang ating pride ng kickboxing and boxing.
Alam mo, nami-miss ko lang sana makabalik siya sa boxing.
Right.
I mean, Gretel is few women or female fighter na talagang did gain success sa boxing ring. Kaya lang nagkaroon siya ng cross sports siya, naging successful din siya.
Partner, ito na ang ginagawa nila. I like what they're doing. They're punching in between punches. That is how you build pressure against each other. Kasi kanina nag-aantayan sila parang punch for a punch. This time, they're just letting their hands go. I mean, if you wanna touch your opponent, kailangan, you have to bridge that distance kapag lalabas ka kaagad, you can't follow up, hindi ba? Ito, let's see the final 30 seconds. Ma'am Mariel de la Cruz, nako, papansinin namin kayo. Shout out from me, Baby Dynamite, and from Ninong Albinio.
Salamat po. Sana one day ma-meet ko kayo. at tayo magkita-kita personally.
Ooh, that was a good exchange. A hook for Maderable and upper for Formentera. Ito na, partner. Final 10 seconds.
And of the bell!
Ang hirap iskoran to, partner. Ang hirap iskoran to
Ladies
laban
and
na to.
gentlemen, the Macamao is presented to us by High Punch Boxing Promotions.
Sonny Ortiz, shoutout sa mga taga-Buwanon. Wawanan nun. Wala.
Wala bang nanonood sa atin na tiga-PMI ngayon?
Si Coach Tito.
Hindi, si Coach Dito, yung mga boxer. Binabati mo yung mga lahat ng boxer natin dito sa PMI boxing stable sa Bohol. Saka sa boss natin, si Sir Florecel Chavez Podot. Saka kay Ma'am Leken na I think he is recovering well sa kanyang
Shoutout.
Ayan na, speaking.
Sige.
Alam mo, napakagaling ng huling laban ni Felix Putling. Congratulations to Felix Putling. I think nanalo sa isang amateur contest. Continue the progress sa Felix, and I think one of these days, ikaw naman ang mag-headline sa mga event ng PMI. Hopefully soon.
Shoutout. Alan Villanueva, Lansky Villanueva, shoutout sa'yo. Isa rin sa naging title contender yan sa WBF.
Alam mo si Alan Villanueva, noong sinusubaybayan ko siya sa kanyang career. Ito yung naging 11-0
Tayo sa Ilorde TV's official Facebook page.
Magaling
Tayo po
talaga.
ay nasa Facebook na.
Makabalik siya sa larangan ng pagbaboxing.
I think meron lang siyang ngayon inintay na something, a good news,
Ito na ang hinihintay ko. Ito na ang hinihintay ko. Ito na ang pagkakataon na hinihintay. Alam mo ba, one of the most toughest boxer nowadays is Shane Hantilyan.
Of
Partner.
course, I agree.
Maniwala ka, I always praise that Shane Hantilyan, one of the toughest, greatest boxer ngayon. Matibay at to cut short muna, ang bisita natin is si 2-division world champion Jerry Peñalosa na
Yes.
who come all the way from Manila.
Of course, with our promoter also, Sir Nino the Boy Mataro. Now, how can you say boxing is dying when we have the biggest names in boxing coming together just to inspire the younger generation?
Balik tayo, partner. Hindi, medyo na I was cut short. Do you remember the fight of Shane Hantilyan nung huli niya? Hanggang sa huli lumaban si Shane Hantilyan. Doon ako napabilib. Doon ako napabilib ni Shane Hantilyan.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go to the scorecards, a round of applause for these two warriors.
Backfight niya sa November 4.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Here we
after
go,
4
the
rounds of
result
professional boxing,
of our second
we
bout.
have a split decision.
Another
Judge
split
Reka
decision.
Eaton Jr. scores the bout at 39-37. He has it for Maderable. Judge Melchor Arong scores the bout at 39-37. He has it for Formentera. And Judge Noel Flores scores the bout 39-37 for your winner by split decision, France Formentera.
There you have it, your winner, partner.
Debut win, partner? It's a debut win, no?
Yeah, it's a